Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to restore your recently deleted posts on Instagram. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, tap on Your Activity. Swipe up to go down. And find Recently Deleted. Tap on it. Here you will find all the posts you have recently deleted. They will be permanently deleted after the number of days shown. Tap on the particular post you want to recover or delete. Then tap the three dots next to the post. Choose Delete if you want to delete the content forever, or choose Restore if you want to restore the content. From the confirmation window, tap on Restore. The post has been restored. Sadly, there is no option to restore multiple posts at once, so you need to restore them one by one. Go to your profile and check. So in this way, you can restore your recently deleted posts on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.